Hi. I'm Dr. Singh. I'm a hot young Punjabi resident.
Oh hi. I'm Simran. I'm actually a doctor too and really don't care if you're a doctor.
Did I mention I was a doctor? And I'm hot. And I'm single.
Yes. And I just realized you're the creepy guy who keeps friend requesting me.
But I'm hot and I am a doctor.
I don't care.
Will you sleep with me?
Hell no.
Will you marry me?
Hell no. You look like you are 50. Is that a toupee?
I'm only 29. I am a doctor. And you are getting fat.
What? You have a really horrible personality.
It's okay because I am a doctor. I will take over my father's practice in a year.
I really don't care.
I'm looking for a young, fair, beautiful, non-drinking, vegetarian virgin to marry. Are you a virgin?
It's none of your business. You are a pig.
I'm a doctor. And I'm hot.
I am a doctor also. And you are really annoying.
So you won't sleep with me? I'm a hot resident.
Not in this lifetime. And you are not hot.
How about marry me?
Not happening.
Fine. My mom will find someone more beautiful and fair than you on Shady.com. I am a doctor. And I'm hot.
I don't care. You look like a science experiment.
I'm a doctor. And I'm hot.